Everybody,
Hi.
welcome back to another little drawing where we draw little things on little sheets of paper.
Yep.
What are we doing today, Izzy?
Ladybug.
A ladybug. So rearranging those pencils there. Here we go. So we draw cute little eyes. Little reflection in there, little reflection there, and you got yours?
Yep.
Yep. Now we just draw a little curved line across there. Connect those. Got it. And watch this. Going slightly up. Drawing a curved line down. Just connecting him there. Got that?
Yep.
Now we draw a bigger shape at the back here. And we bring it down there. Draw a line over his back, over the top there.
Okay.
And now we just draw little leg shapes just sitting on this side. And maybe you can see some bit of the other things on that side. Not much of them, that's fine. And now, let's see what you got. Okay, you've got your ladybug legs. I'm going to draw a circle and another circle, and these circles can be random, they're not always the same, so your circles can be different to mine. There we go. Now we're adding a little smile. I'm adding a little smile because it's a little drawing with a little smile on it. What color is a ladybug? Is he? Black and red. Okay, so there's your red, and the dots is black. Sometimes they're orange. Are you gonna go with red or orange? You get different types of ladybugs.
It's only the yellow one I did found when I was at 2021.
So in 2021, when you were just a little kid
At
school, you found the yellow one. So I just sharpened the yellow for you. Here we go. Let's color.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our ladybugs. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.